Hello guys, today our topic is donate car for tax credit. How much can I deduct? Once your vehicle is sold, your selling price determines the amount of your donation. If your vehicle sells for more than $500, you may deduct the full selling price. If your vehicle sells $500 or less, you can deduct the fair market value of your vehicle up to $500. How do tax deductions work when donating a car? Donating your car to charity can result in the significant tax saving if you include in your charitable contribution deduction. However, doing a little planning will ensure that you maximize the tax saving of your donation. Table of the content. Charitable deduction. Step 1. Find out how much the charity sold car 4. Use the price charity sells your car for as amount of your deduction. For example, if the charity sells the car at auction for 3000 plus dollar, your deduction limited is to 3000 even if the fair market value is $45,000. However, if the charity sell the car at significant discount to need the individual or keep the car for its own use, then you can claim the deduction of its fair market value. If the charity sell your car to $5,500 or less, you can deduct 500 or your car fair market value, whichever is less. For example, if your car is valued $650 but sells for the 350, you can deduct $500. Charity are typically required to report the sales price of your car to you and from 1098C. Step 2. Determine the car fair marketing value. To estimate your car fair market value to calculate the deduction, the IRS suggests that you use the reputable used car price guide. Consider consulting the Cali Blue Book My Car Value online tool. For example, search the private party prices for your vehicle based on its make, model, and overall conditions. Step 3. Claiming the deduction. In order to claim a deduction of the donated car, you need to have a documentation of your donation. At the minimum, the documentation you receive from the charity need to include your name, the vehicle identification number, the date of your donation, a statement describing any good or services you received in return of the donation. Report the amount of your deduction on Schedule A. Since you can only claim a deduction of your car donation if you itemize the total of your all eligible deduction on the schedule, a typical need of the exceed and standard deduction amount of your filling status. Step 4. Additional form you will need. Complete form 8283 if your car donation deduction is more than $500. If your deduction is between $501 or $5,000, you need to complete a section A. If your deduction is greater than $5,000, you will complete section B. If your complete section B, you will also need to return appraisal as documentation. Let an expert do your tax for you start to finish with the TurboTax Live's full services, or you can get your tax done right with the expert by your side. And the TurboTax Live assisted file your own tax with the confidence using the TurboTax. Just answer the simple question and we will guide you throughout the filling your tax with the confidence. Whichever you have choose, get your maximum refund guaranteed. Get your max refund. Answer simple question about your life and TurboTax free edition will take care of the rest. For simple tax return only. Looking for the more information, charitable contribution, and how do I estimate the value of my donated car for my tax deduction? Is your car registration deductible? Driving down taxes, auto related taxes deduction, charitable contribution you think you can claim but can't.